이거 사연 있어요.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited to introduce something truly next level, Higgsfield Popcorn. This is the brand new update from Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies on the planet. And if you've ever wished you could turn your imagination into consistent cinematic visual stories, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Higgsfield Popcorn isn't just another image generator. It's a complete creative system, a storyboard generator, an image editor, and a scene director all in one. With Popcorn, you can create cohesive, multi-image stories from a single prompt, maintaining perfect character, setting, and style consistency across every frame. Think of it as having full control over your own AI movie set, where every detail stays true from shot to shot. Compared to other tools like Nano or Seedream, Popcorn takes consistency and creative direction to an entirely new level. Let's take a look at how it works. Inside the Higgsfield platform, just upload up to 4 input images: your characters, your scene, your vibe, even your brand elements. Then you can either prompt each keyframe individually for total control, or write one master prompt to let Popcorn auto-generate an entire sequence. Once you hit Generate, Popcorn creates up to 8 visually consistent outputs, building a complete storyboard in one go. Need to continue the story? Just pick any output and ask the model to extend the narrative. It's like having your own creative assistant that never breaks continuity. Whether you're building a short film, a brand campaign, or a series of social posts, everything stays smooth, seamless, and cinematic. Now, let's walk through some examples on screen. Case 1. Have you ever wished you could turn a single image into a complete fantasy story? Watch this. We start with just one input image, a woman standing at the edge of an ancient forest. Now I type a simple prompt. A woman ventures into a forest to find a dragon in a Ghibli-style medieval fantasy world. And in seconds, Higgsfield Popcorn transforms that single image into a full sequence. Frame after frame, the same heroine walks deeper into the mist, light shifting through the trees. We see her journey evolve, discovering clues, approaching a glowing cave, facing the dragon. All perfectly consistent. Same face, same outfit, same atmosphere. No broken continuity, no mismatched frames. Just one flowing, cinematic story built from a single prompt. That's the power of Higgsfield Popcorn, your complete AI storyboard generator for cohesive, beautiful storytelling. Case 2. 2 input images plus prompt, 1 output image. Let's test how well each AI tool follows a detailed editing prompt. Here we have 2 input images. In the first, our main character. In the second, the reference pose we want her to match. And the prompt says, do the same action pose as in image 2 for the character in image 1. The background should be plain white. Now, watch the results. Higgsfield Popcorn nails it. It keeps the character perfectly consistent. Same face, same outfit, same lighting. But flawlessly recreates the new pose from the second image, exactly as instructed. The background is clean and uniform, just as the prompt requested. Nano, on the other hand, barely changes anything. It repeats almost the same picture, missing the pose entirely. And Seedream? It follows the idea loosely, but shifts the face, lighting, and proportions, breaking the visual continuity. This is where Higgsfield Popcorn stands out. It doesn't just understand your prompt, it executes it with precision and realism, keeping your character true across every edit. Consistent, accurate, effortless, that's Higgsfield Popcorn. Case 3. 1 input image plus general prompt, auto mode, 4 output images with multi-style images. Let's try something playful. Our prompt says, a man walks on a New York street and meets a cat in clothes, standing like a human, talking with him. With Higgsfield Popcorn, that single prompt becomes a complete mini-story. The same man, the same street, perfectly consistent across every frame, but now joined by a stylish talking cat that fits seamlessly into the scene. Different styles, same world. Higgsfield Popcorn keeps continuity intact while letting your imagination run wild. Case 4. Let's look at another test, this time a scene set in Tokyo. We start with 2 input images. The first shows our main character, a woman whose look, pose and lighting we want to preserve. The second includes a small object, something she'll carry through the new scene. Now we enter a single prompt. The woman walks through Tokyo with the object from image 2. Here's where Higgsfield Popcorn shines. It blends both references effortlessly, keeping the woman's appearance completely consistent, while placing her naturally in a brand new city environment. Every output in this sequence feels connected. The same woman, the same object, the same atmosphere, captured from different angles and moments in her walk through Tokyo. Notice the reflections, the lighting, the perspective shifts. Popcorn adapts to them all while keeping character and prop continuity flawless. Other models often lose track of these details, changing faces, colors, or even removing the object altogether. But Higgsfield Popcorn, powered by Higgsfield Soul, builds a coherent mini-world that feels cinematic and real. This is AI storytelling at its best, cohesive, controllable, and visually stunning. Case 5. Now let's combine multiple inputs into one seamless image. We're using 3 input images, a setting from image 1, a man from image 2, and a woman from image 3. The prompt says, put the man from IMG 2 and the woman from IMG 3 into the setting of IMG 1, keeping the same poses. Watch how Higgsfield Popcorn handles this. Every element merges naturally, lighting, mood, and style perfectly aligned. The characters look like they belong there, not pasted in. That's true style consistency, prompt accuracy, and a touch of creative restyling all working together. So why does this matter? Because storytelling in AI isn't just about realism anymore, it's about continuity. Whether you're an artist, a filmmaker, a marketer, or a content creator, Popcorn gives you creative control, coherence, and cinematic quality that finally make AI storytelling production ready. It's like Sora 2, but with full control over every frame. You're not just watching a generated scene, you're shaping it, directing it, perfecting it. With Higgsfield Popcorn, AI is stepping right into Hollywood. If you're ready to create your own visual stories, go try Higgsfield Popcorn today at Higgsfield.ai. Generate, edit, and extend your stories with ease. Whether you're crafting a short film, a cinematic ad, or a concept storyboard, Popcorn helps you build it all from a single prompt. Consistent, cinematic, aesthetic, powerful. That's Higgsfield Popcorn, the new gold standard for AI image editing and multi-frame storytelling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI creative tools and tutorials.